Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. How are you today? I'm glad to hear that. I hope you are ready for today's lesson. Today we are going to learn about analyzing short story. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to know about story and Todorov structure reason. I have a few stories. Okay, let me see. Malin Kundang. Malin Kundang was a poor boy who was ashamed of his mother's poor appearance and denied to know her, afraid his wife would find out about his humble background. Heartbroken and humiliated, his mother prayed to God to punish her ungrateful son. Suddenly, lightning struck, and Malin Kundang was turned into stone as a punishment for being disobedient and ungrateful to his mother. Cinderella. Cinderella is a kind and gentle young girl who lived with her cruel stepmother and two jealous stepsisters. They treat her like a servant, making her do all the housework and mocking her. The next day, the prince searching the kingdom for the girl who fit the slipper. When he arrived at Cinderella's house, her stepsister tried to wear it, but it doesn't fit. Finally, Cinderella tries it on. It fit perfectly. She married the prince and lived happy ever after. Timun Mas. Once upon a time, there was a kind and lonely widow who longed to have a child. One day, she met a mysterious giant called Buto Ijo, who promised to give her a child in the form of a golden cucumber seed. However, the giant had one condition. When the child grew up, he would come back to take her. And the last story is about Beauty and the Beast. Melon lived with her father in a small village. Her father, a merchant, got lost in the forest and found shelter in a mysterious ancient castle. There, he picked a rose for Belle and was captured by the castle master of fearsome beasts. As Belle and the beast grew closer, she eventually fell in love with him. In the end, Belle's love lit the course. The beast transformed back into a prince, and they lived happy ever after. Okay, I will explain you about who is Stephen Todorov. Stephen Todorov was born in the family of Todor Borov, a Bulgarian linguist and intellectualist from the early 20th century. He was born on 1939 and was died in 2017. He was a Bulgarian French historian, philosopher, structuralist literacy critic, sociologist, and essayist. He was the author of many books and essays, which have had a significant influence in anthropology, sociology, semiotics, literary theory, intellectual history, and culture theory. Todorov is best known for his theory of narrative structure. He proposed that most stories follow a basic pattern of 5 states. The first, equilibrium. The story begins in a state of normalcy or balance. Everything is calm or stable in the world of the story. The second, disruption. An event or action disturbs this equilibrium. This is the main conflict or complication that drives the plot. The third, recognition. The characters become aware of the disruption and begin to risk or try to resolve it. The fourth, repair. Steps are taken to confront or fix the disruption. Conflict are fought, challenge faced, mystery solved. And the last is the new equilibrium. The story ends with a new state of balance. It might be similar to the beginning, but something has changed, character grow, or the what is different. Have you read the story about Beauty and the Beast? I hope you all have read it at home. We will discuss about stake or pattern of toddler's narrative story in the story of Beauty and the Beast. The first equilibrium. The prince lived luxuriously and prosperously in his castle, but is arrogant and devoid of godliness. This equilibrium is illusory as the curse is about to come. Second, disruption. The prince is cursed by a witch to become the beast as a punishment for his arrogance. Belle's family also experiences disruption when her father gets lost and seeks refuge in the beast castle. Belle then takes her father's place as a prisoner in the castle. The third, recognition. Belle and the beast begin to interact and build a relationship. Belle learns to see the good behind the beast's terrifying appearance. Belle also strives to save her father from Gaston and the evil villagers. The fourth, restoration. The curse on the beast is broken when Belle confesses her love to the beast. The beast returns as a handsome prince. The last, restoration or new equilibrium. Belle and the beast finally marry and live happily ever after. A new balance is created, but with a deeper understanding of love, acceptance, and kindness. Okay, let we make a group. Each of group, I will give you a story and then analyze the story. You have two steps. The first, read the story carefully. What happened first? What problem happened? How is it solved? How does the story end? And the last step is writing your own short story using toddler structure. Please read the task of the group. The group 1 is Malin Kundang. The group 2 is Cinderella. The group 3 is Timun Mas. And the group 4 is the Lion King. Okay student, thank you and good luck. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.